this is Max Hampshire National Chemical Labs. I would like to tell you about a very important new product that we've introduced to fill another segment of a niche market for our floor care program. This exciting product is called matte. Matte is extremely important for a particular area in the healthcare industry. Matte actually is a low sheen finish, very, very durable, dries very, very quickly, gives extremely good wearability, very, very easy to clean, self-leveling, has many, many other benefits. We believe that this product will be extremely important for the healthcare industry, from everything from nursing home to hospital, Alzheimer's units particularly, and we think you'll find great advantages with this with all our other products that we have in our line.